Multilogin is an all-in-one solution for managing multiple accounts, scraping data, and running automation. In this video, we'll show you how to set up mobile profiles. Begin by logging into your Multilogin workspace with your account credentials. From the dashboard, click the Create button to set up a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear, recognizable name so you can easily identify it later. If you already have a target platform, select pre-made cookies to speed up your setup process. Multilogin offers built-in proxies. Choose your desired location and even target down to the city level. Make sure your selected proxy is valid and working correctly. Confirm your IP address and location to ensure they match your setup requirements. If needed, activate Traffic Saver to block images and videos, saving bandwidth and speeding up browsing. Organize your profiles better by adding tags for quick access and efficient filtering. In the operating system settings, select Android to create a mobile browser environment. Android profiles are only available for Chrome-based Mimic browser. Customize additional options such as storage type, WebRTC handling, time zone, and more. Click Create Profile to save your settings. You can save your profile as a template for future use. Need multiple profiles? Type AI and press Enter on your keyboard to enable AI Quick Actions mode. With AI Quick Actions, you can bulk create multiple profiles at once. Enter your instructions, and AI will streamline repetitive setup tasks in seconds. Click Start to launch your mobile profile. If you haven't changed the Start page settings, a browser window will open and display detailed information about your new profile. With an Android profile, you can manage platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and more with mobile authenticity. Running accounts from a mobile profile makes your activity appear more natural to platforms. Thanks for watching. Learn more about Multilogin on our website and YouTube channel. Sign up today to start creating and managing your Android profiles.